morning, guys. What's up? Today is July 30th, 2020, and we're here in Grand Turk waiting on tropical storm Isaias. It's not looking like it's gonna be too bad. What's up, chump? What's up? It's not looking like it's gonna be too bad here, guys, but gonna make some short little video updates just to keep you guys in the loop. So it should be passing over Hispaniola in the next 6 to 12 hours, working its way up the Florida Strait, past the Turks and Caicos Islands. We're not in the cone, guys, but we are on the northeastern side of the cone, which means we probably will experience stronger winds and you know, more rain. So the Turks and Caicos has put in a 12 o'clock curfew for the day, so afternoon today, just gonna be chilling. I'm gonna keep you guys updated with some video. So I'm gonna drop a link to some of the old YouTube videos, guys, somewhere up here, basically to show you guys the hurricane videos we had from September 2017 with Hurricane Irma and Hurricane Maria. So feel free to check out some of the videos on the channel while you wait for an update. Take it easy, guys. Bless.
Trump don't look worried.